Brown here. I'm wondering if I can walk away from any of this music. I kind of don't think I can, but I'm going to try. This is becoming one of my favorite places, called Buglas Isla Cafe. Man, look at the trees and everything around here. It's awesome. Now, when I talk about the Philippines, this is what I'm talking about. The vegetation and relaxation, cool breeze. Pulled up a little bit earlier and talked to the guard. Okay ba? Tama. Relax ka talaga.
Yes, sir.
Masarap pag trabaho mo. He's very friendly. Of course, once I told him, I said, I speak Tagalog. Okay, but Bisaya a little bit rusty. He said, oh, that's okay. We speak, Tagalog, Bisaya, English around here. Well, I said, do you live farther away or closer here? He said, I live in Pamplona, which I think is about an hour away. So, hard workers, they come. I said, do you have any days off? No, works every day. Oh my gosh. I didn't have the nerve to ask him how much he makes, but I got a feeling it may be $10 or less a day. But he's sitting in a cool place, and his job is just to kind of keep an eye out on the vehicles that parked there. So, nice job. And I guess it's worth it. Probably comes down on a scooter. So, anyway, I also wanted to talk about the last video I did. I am the worst vlogger. I'm telling my subscribers and viewers if something bad happened to me. I was in the middle of an intersection and the car died. I had to push it to the side, and that was the end of the video. Did I talk about what happened afterwards? Oh man, one of these days I'm going to learn, but I'm going to tell you that now. Our friends who let us borrow the car, they brought it back, and at first they said, well, it ran out of gas. So I'm thinking, ran out of gas? It showed a quarter of a tank, but as some of us know, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's accurate. So they said they put a couple hundred pesos in, that would be like $4 or so. And then that night I was thinking, wait a minute here. I tried to start it and it wouldn't turn over. And if you've run out of gas before, and Lord knows I have, it'll still turn over. It just won't catch because there's no gas. So I got to thinking, man, I think there's more than that. Well, the next day we went out to try to start the multi-cab. Wouldn't hit a lick, wouldn't turn over at all. So called him, and we caught Tano. Fortunately, he took us out for our morning out. And when we got back, they said, okay, it's all fixed. What was it? The starter. Oh, okay. So, things happen, but it's good to have friends and people that care about us, that, want to take care of us old people. So, anyway, appreciate that. And now the multi-cab is running good. So that's the end of that story. And I'm sorry about keeping people hanging, because I have gotten a couple of comments. Hey, whatever happened to multi-cab? So try to be a little bit more diligent in updating everybody on what's going on here. So I'm getting ready to have my eggs Benedict.
Look,